Alright guys, good day today. Yeah, good day today. And it is Sunday today. Lisod day magbinisaya babat. Magbinisaya, mag-in-English babat. Aloha, and we are today. We're heading to Aloha State. No, not Aloha State. But we're heading to Seattle Center to attend or to see what to be like or how to be like. What that saying?
Aloha Hawaiian Festival. Yeah, baby! Meet our new friends. Our new friends. No, this is Ninyam's husband, Eric. To-be husband. Ninyam! Sa Malaysia.
Aloha Festival. 19th
Hawaiian Aloha Festival. O, diba?
Maui.
Mga aloha, mahalo, mahalo luwa.
Mahalo, mahal kaya ang pliti ako. Ako ang tourist guide. So muna siya ang monorail.
Nag-record na? I don't think so.
Nag-record na siya. So Ninyam and Eric, new friends.
New friends? Excuse me. Dugay na nang sa friends.
Old and new. Ilan no? Dugay na 16, 18 years na siguro na ko na siya na ila. Pero namin nakita ba?
Dili, uy.
Si Ko na siya, si Darth Vader. Day, ang meaning sa ning armory is kananan. Food court nila. Ano yung food court nila?
Saan mo kay Kadoy? Pag-share ba?
Food court nito, no?
Hindi mo itong gipaingan sa itong tour guide.
Saan mo siya nag-ikay sa rin?
Hello, nalata sa tour guide check.
So, okay, vlog ba? Vlog. Okay, follow this. Follow us. So guys, welcome to International Fountain on your right. This fountain synchronized with the music, but actually there's no music today, so
There is music.
just
one.
Wait, ano?
Okay, nanay ano si Ian
Drugs mo.
Nana siya ka-vibe.
Kanang mas lower pero katong brand.
Okay, so kami na sad. Happy kaayo ko kay nana uban namin ako si Ninyam. I know ya, dugay ka pila na ta sige istorya ni am nga mo ani kadriham. Mo sana ano na siguro. Sobra last year pa ta sige istorya ani. So finally nana siya diri. Nana siya diri. Nanamig nagdamgur ako. I know. Magpan magid siya. Magminyo na ni siya.
Kailan ko ana?
Magminyo siya.
Made na ako.
Daw. Wala pa ako i-dress. My gas.
Nagita pa siya i-dress.
Yeah, asa man tato gisuludo eh. Yeah, so bakle-bakle lang mi diri. Muna mo.
Nami karon sa public market.
Oh my God,
Oh.
pala. Ay, siguro nabuang naman siguro ni sila.
Among ginator ang bagong salta ninyo here at public place market.
Public place or Pikes Market?
No, it said public market, so acting tourist. Okay, so amo mo itor.
Di tourist man jud me. So,
Tourist. At Gum Wall, this is my 100 times to be here. I've been here for. This is the famous Gum Wall. Actually, it's good because there's no so much people around here. Boom. It's dark. Ito yung Ian rin na po. Ito na.
the heck?
You know,
First time. I've been here so many times. This is the first time I'm gonna do this.
where are you gonna stick?
Kining word nga ice. Okay?
Push. Alright, that's her first try.
It's our first time coming to Seattle on a Sunday. So I realized it's good to come here on a Sunday. You know why? First time we found a parking off the street. Okay? So you need to come here on a Sunday. It's not as much people. It's not as chaotic. Chaotic? Is that even a word? Bye. See you on our next stop. Hi guys. Okay, we are on our next stop. We are at the Great Wheel. Right, guys. This is it. We are inside the
We are live.
I know, we are live at the Seattle Great Wheel. Chiha! OMG! This is my second time.
This is my daily routine, guys. I'm here at. As you can see, this is the.
This is where I get my breakfast.
Yeah, this is where I work actually. It's my everyday life. Kaya ang skyline, kana siyang nga building, muna yung second na highest building siya. Mga paminos ako po. Kana siyang second highest. Katong pinakauna. Ang oras karon alas 7:30. So, ginabuild nila ang duha ka building diya. Pero dili na siya ingon ang pinakataas. Napay silang i-build nga pinakataas nga building sunod sa Colombia. Pero wala pa, naprobahan na, pero wala pa gisugdan. Pero kanang duha ka building na tapad sa Colombia Tower, gina-build nila.
Oh my God!
Nice hair.
Hello, ay, ninduta, oy.
Di Van ba?
Ano din ang Tagiani? Kaning harbor, isa lang Tagiani. Ang Tagiya sa Great Wheel. Busa, ako na siya nabasa, nakita na ako sa magazine ba? Kay bago man tong Fly Washington, isa na din Tagiani tanan.
Sinsya na niya sa baan mo na siya.
So karon, kadua na naman toyo. Last round na naman ni guys.
Maski gulang kamera nagkatubang sexy.
Last round. Lord, Chuy, ligid mo na sa trap.
Hindi naman.
Parang gid sila do. Wala ba tang mag-story
Samo
ako? Ibalik ka mo din.
Dili o yun niya.
So
Dili
kayo.
ko pala di sa ingon.
Sinabot mo, siguro sila igsulon sa kon. Sa
Sa lain yung kinabuhi.
Don't do drugs. Call Tatay Duterte.
So we are at home now. We got home about more than an hour ago, but we just vlogged. So Ninian was here. Ninian was my high school one of my high school best friends. Actually, barkada, that's what we call it in Filipino term. So, yeah, we've been friends for, 15 years. She finally moved here, so she is soon getting married next week. Yeah, so we spent time, talk stories, and nothing, just shared life and just pick up where we left off. They just left, just like probably 2 minutes ago. So grabe, it's very exact. But yeah, they just left 2 minutes ago. They live probably 40 minutes away from our place? Yeah.
Exactly.
So 40 minutes from here, from our place. Anyway, so yeah, today I'm very happy. Happy ka?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm happy because I finally get to see her. Si Miriam. We haven't seen each other for probably
10 years?
No, 5 years, I think.
No.
The last time I've seen her was 2010, 2011. I don't know. But yeah, we didn't see each other when we got married on 2012 because she was somewhere. I think she was in Dubai. I don't know, I forgot. My favorite part.
What is that?
Guess what?
Eat?
Seattle Great Wheel. Yeah, I like that.
If you go Columbia Tower,
But Columbia Tower though, you just go upstairs and then you just look at the stuff. I like how you are.
But you can stay there like for 40 minutes or 1 hour in Columbia
Yeah,
Tower.
but you're not. It's not. You're not moving.
Hello, you're moving. You're walking around. There's a lot of stuff.
I don't want to walk
Anyway, you're my wife, so you're the boss.
Good job. Okay, so secret of a long marriage, Moby. Yes, all the time to the wife. Nope. Anyways, so I'm boring, but
Oh my gosh.
yeah, we just want to
I'm
close
sleepy.
out this vlog, and we want to thank you for your support. You guys support us every single time we upload a video. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We appreciate all your likes, your comments, and if you have any suggestion from us, anything you want us to experience that you guys want to see here in Seattle, let us know. We'll do our best.
Or
To
just
take you
comment.
there. Or yeah, comment it in the section below. Let us know, okay? And what else?
I mean,
That's
that's
it. I
it. Yeah,
think,
that's it.
yeah, just thank you so much. Daghang Salamat in Visayan and Mahalo Nui Lua in Hawaiian. But yeah, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Anyways, I just have one question for you guys. What are your highs and lows this week? Highs, I believe, I'm just thankful I get to experience this. You know, not a lot of people can do what they want, and being able to do what I want and be with the person I love is one of the greatest.
Can you
No, but you know what? No,
Because I can't hear it.
but sometimes though, like I forget to say thank you for all that you do for us, but I really appreciate it.
Oh wow, thank you too.
I know it's hard. You know, it's just the two of us, so I don't have a choice, guys. Like, I don't have my family here. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's really true though. Yeah, and my low is I miss my family. Like although I don't see it often to him because I don't wanna, sometimes give him bad vibes because I already do. Like I always complain. Not complain. If there's another word of complain, I wanna use it, but I don't know what is it. Anyways, it's just I love where we live, but the fact that it's so far away from my working place, it just makes it feel like not a good place to live. But I do like the place. Like this courtroom, I like it. I love it. It's perfect. It's not big, it's not small, it's perfect for us. But it's just far from work. And it's, sometimes when it's traffic, not sometimes, most of the time, like traffic is crazy. Like when I used to live in Maui, I literally lived like probably 4 or 5 minutes away from my working place. And moving here in Washington, I live probably 35 minutes away from my working place. So that's far. And usually I leave an hour early before my shift. So anyways, that is my downs, my ups and downs last week. Or probably in life. So yeah. How about you? Share it to us. Oh, you want to know his answer? I'm going to ask him.
Oh my god, I'm sleepy. Come on. What do you mean? What question?
What is your down? What is your ups and downs?
Nothing for now, actually.
Oh my god, wala.
For now. Not prepared.
Ay, kaloka. Anyways, okay. So that's it. We're gonna close this vlog. Thank you so much. See you guys on our next vlog. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.